Hey guys, Homestead Boy 1 here. 2 nights ago we had 4 inches of snow. Yesterday night we had a ton of rain, so it melted all the snow, so it's all icy, and there's 40-mile-an-hour winds, so a ton of our stuff was blowing all over the property. So I'm gonna go see if I can find all the stuff and pick it up and put it where it belongs. Here, I'll show you some of the ice there was. Yeah, you can see it rained a ton, and then it froze over last night and it's starting to melt. Let's go get to it. There you go, guys. I only got all the buckets and balls and stuff. I just need to put this bucket with a ball in it away, and then we're done. So let's just walk over and do that. So there you go, guys. That's done. So thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. Till next time, this is Homestead Boy 1, and I am out.